Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use Life360 application. Okay, first you'll need to go to Play Store and make sure that you have the application. So it has this logo. Just search for Life360 and you will have the application. Now, for those who do not actually know what is Life360, it is a family and group safety app that focuses on location sharing, communication, and security features. It's mainly used by families, but also works well for close friends, roommates, or teams. Here's what it does in simple terms: real time location sharing, police alerts, driving safety, SOS, and emergency features. Okay, now I have downloaded the application. I will simply open it, then click on get started. Then I want to add the phone number of mine. After adding the phone number, I'll have to add my email. Then they will send you a verification code. You just have to get it. After getting the code, here you will have to provide your first name and last name. Simply add your birthday, hit the continue, and now you will have to provide the invite code or the circle. So this is actually where the application works. You will have to add some people onto your circles on this application so that you can track their own locations and make sure that they are actually doing well. So simply click on get started. You can add a people or add a title. Here in my case, I will add a title. Then I'm going to click on yes, let's go. I'm going to click on continue. Just give it the permission. While using the application, I will give it the permission to my own location. Okay, now you will have to press the button on the tile tracker. Okay. And now if you want to add someone, you can simply go back as I've done. Then click on add people. And now I'm going to give my circle a name. I'm going to name it Zenhome family, for example. Then I'm going to continue. And this is my invite code with my family. So I can simply copy it and give it to my family. And now I can actually track their own places by using the device. So I'm going to click on share code. Then I'm going to give it to any one of my family members. Okay. After stop sharing it, you're going to click on I'm done. How would you describe your role in this circle? Let's say that I'm the dad, and you can add a photo. Then click on continue. Life360 only works correctly if it can access your location all the time. So you will have to give it the location permission. So allow all the time. I'm going to give it the permission, then go back. Physical activity, monitor car travel, driver safety, and crash alerts. You can even enable it. I'm going to click on allow. Then I'm going to click on continue. And this is actually a very necessary step if you want to track someone who is driving a car, for example. Now click on continue. Hit the continue again. Now you can add your home address, so it will actually show you your current location. You can simply click on save. Now this is my home. You can add another place like your work or even other places, but if you are done adding places, simply click on I'm done adding places. You can add the places that you are actually going to frequently. Now it tells me that I can use the free trial. You can use the free trial. Can turn off actually the battery optimization for location sharing, but just give it the permission. And now if you want to add a person, simply click on add person on the bottom, then give him the code. But here in my case, I have only my own circle, which I am actually the only member in it. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.